This is something that probably began back in the 70s. I understand there was long lines with people in vehicles and having to get to gas stations. There was a big crunch. And at the time in the industry, it was the same way. They went with a lot of propane backup systems and fuel oil systems to help industry meet demand without having these outrageous gas prices. Well, as the gas prices got lower and lower, people forgot about this equipment. And about 5 years ago, the crunch started hitting us again. The fuel prices started going high. Natural gas prices, propane prices started going up, so people started knocking the cobwebs off this old equipment. At that point, we started thinking ahead to the future and said, you know, California's leading the way, New Jersey, a lot of other states are coming in with EPA guidelines. Let's get on board and see what we can do to help our customers be ahead of the curve. So we went ahead and did some training with the United States Department of Energy. They have a program called FAST. Stands for Process Heating Assessment Survey Tool, if I remember correctly. With this tool, you're able to go into a customer's process, take a bunch of readings, put it into a nice program that was developed by the Department of Energy, and you can tell them where their energy goes in dollars, in BTUs, in any type of unit that is on this program. And then you can sit down with the customer and say, your widget machine is costing you this many pounds of steam, it's costing you this much money in dollars. Now let's go ahead and make some changes. So you can go in the machine and you can say, okay, if we preheat your load coming into your equipment, or if we take the waste heat here and use it over here, here's how much money you can save. And so they can see in real time in a program that wasn't developed by Metro Services, a program that's developed by the Department of Energy, they can see real time where their money's going, and they can see real time how much money they can save if they make changes. So this was successful. And we decided, you know, let's take this one step further. Instead of just worrying about the ovens and the furnaces, let's take it to the entire facility. So we went to the Association of Energy Engineers and took an energy auditing course and are now certified as an energy auditor for an entire building. So now we go in and we can not only look at ovens and furnaces and boilers, we can look at the lighting, we can look at the building envelope, we can look at the entire facility and tell them where their energy is going, how they can save money. And this is something that needs to be done by a lot of companies, but really the proactive companies are the only ones doing it. A lot of companies, it's sad to say, are still reactive instead of proactive. They're knee-jerk instead of leading the way. But we have developed a process to where they can be proactive if they would like to.